Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to install Cisco Packet Tracer on Linux Mint or Ubuntu or any other Debian based Linux distribution. So unlike GNS3 that we installed in our last video, Cisco Packet Tracer is not completely free. We do get an evaluation copy of Cisco Packet Tracer. To get that we have to sign up on Network Academy. So we can just open up a browser and search for netacad. This is that website, netacad.com. If we go to that website and scroll down a bit, there is a section for Packet Tracer. Just click on that and click on Enroll to download Packet Tracer. Here it is, the button for sign up today. I guess I have script disabled. Let me allow that. Here, if you click on sign up today and select the language, you have to fill in your details and submit. Post this page, there would be further details like your company that you work with. It prefers to give a work email, but you can also give your personal email, doesn't matter. Once you finish the sign up process, you will have a page, you will have a dashboard of yours wherein you would be enrolled for Introduction to Cisco Packet Tracer course. If you go to resources, you will have a section to, you will have a link to download the Packet Tracer. Once you download this, you will have something called a zip file that will be downloaded. Now, how to install from the zip file? Let us see that. If we open up a terminal and go to our downloads section, we have that here. So first we have to extract that. Before that, we can create a directory where we would extract that zip file. So I have created a directory called cpt, and then I'll use that command to extract Cisco Packet Tracer into this directory. Once it extracts everything, I'll move to that directory and I'll see that it has something called install. So all I need to do is, I guess I will sudo /install password. So it says that it will show us the end user license agreement. Just press enter to see the agreement. You can go through it, hit Y to accept the terms. It says what would be the path to install. The default path is /opt/pt, which is fine. Hit enter. It says copied all files successfully /opt/pt. Should we create a symbolic link? Yes, please. Okay. It says please restart your computer for Packet Tracer settings to take effect. Now we can restart, but there is one more dependency that is needed to be installed too for Cisco Packet Tracer to take effect, and that is libpng12, I guess. Let me search for that. Here. the Ubuntu package. We would need this as well, and save the file. I have that downloaded here as well. We can directly double click this Debian file to install, or we can just run this command sudo dpkg/i, and the name of that is libdeb. Once we install that, we should be able to run Cisco Packet Tracer, but if we look up here, we don't have a shortcut for Cisco Packet Tracer. To create that, if we just move to /opt/pt/bin, and then if we do ls, we should have a desktop file here. What we need is we need to move this desktop file to /user/share/applications. So let's do that. Sudo copy /opt/ we don't need to do that. Just run Cisco packet tracer.desktop, and the destination is /user/share applications. Once we do that, let me check if it, okay, now we have Cisco Packet Tracer here, right? So yeah, if we just try to open that, let's see, do we need any changes? No. So it just says that yes, this, since we are running this for the first time, it will save all my work to /home/russia/pt, which is fine. We can change that under options, preferences. Now when we first log in, when we first start this Cisco Packet Tracer, it will ask us to sign in with our Net Academy username account, or we can do a guest login. If you have created a login, you can use that, or you can do a guest login. Either way, we will have the Cisco Packet Tracer boot up. So this is how we will install Cisco Packet Tracer. I won't be using Cisco Packet Tracer much, but just to have it on my machine, I have installed it. Most of the times I prefer GNS3. The reason we need Cisco Packet Tracer despite of GNS3 is that along with GNS3 we don't get the Cisco router images freely. So for running Cisco experiments, we need Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, I think that is it. Once you do the login, or even you can do guest login, if you do this, you will have your Cisco Packet Tracer booted up and you can use them. So I'll do my user login later, but you can run with guest login as well. So I think that was it. If you face any issues during installation, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll try to resolve that. I hope this was useful, and thank you for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.